we're gonna go do some grocery. And it sucks because we actually chose the wrong day to go and do grocery because it is Thanksgiving weekend, like long weekend, which means the places are gonna be busy. So hopefully this just goes like smooth and we go in, get our stuff, and come out. We don't really have much planned today. We were supposed to do our Thanksgiving dinner today, but I think we're moving it till tomorrow. But I'm still gonna cook something today. Not sure, maybe some baked chicken or a roast chicken or something. Or actually I think I'm gonna make rotisserie chicken. And I don't know what I'm gonna make it with yet, but we'll see. I guess when I go in there I'll kind of figure out what I want. But don't really have much planned today. We're just chilling out, I guess. The weather's so crappy and me like an idiot went to go wash my hair and come outside. So hopefully I don't catch no head cold. Because the wind is definitely blowing outside. Definitely blowing. So let me tell you guys how Nyla is. Remember before I used to complain like how she would always cry in the car seat and stuff like that? I don't know, the past week or so, since we've been coming on the road, we've noticed that she hasn't been like as cry and fussy as usual. But I don't want to jinx it. Half the time we go on the road, we don't really like bring it up and talk about it because we're so scared to jinx it. But that's a good thing because the other day we went out for a while and she didn't really cry until like we were like close to home. But she's been doing better, thank God, because I actually thought it was gonna get worse. Where's this squirrel going? Dead. Holy. These squirrels don't play, like they really risk their life. Oh yeah, and by the way, it's Thanksgiving in Canada. Thanksgiving weekend in Canada, because I know the States one I believe is in November. Theirs is different. Because just now I was talking to my sister-in-law, I was asking her, but then I forgot like it's different in the States. We're gonna get something to munch on before we do our grocery shopping. And then we'll tune back in with y'all later. So guys, we're in Walmart doing our little grocery shopping. Just bumped into one of our subscribers. The way how you were walking with your cart, I'm like, yo, Ziggy, move.
I saw Ziggy, I'm like, yeah, I know.
That was nice. He welcomed him to Canada. That was really nice. What's your name?
Junior.
Junior. Big up yourself, Junior.
So yo, I did it. I first actually a cleaner in a car. But yo, that shit was stink. Like, jeez, come mama. Yo, just as me finish wiper off just now, guess what? She started shitting again. Like, the whole just start spray out. Like, you know? Come on, daddy set up in the moon. Yeah, Musa. Yeah, Musa. Come. Wait now. Bro. Watch it. Why am I put on one in my kick off next one? Bro, I'm just trying. Huh? Wicked dancer. Yeah, deal with me, sir. Woo. Come. Top shit then, no man. Top shit. It's things on over here, Nisha coming along. Did you fart, Ziggy? Did say that thing go say figure face? I was chat about me fart like him no put.
So y'all, I'm in the kitchen cooking up some chicken. Who that? Look at my pretty baby. And of course, Nyla hitched up behind me. My husband sweet up and sing. I'm here in the kitchen chefing up some chicken. Yo, I'm telling you guys, sometimes when I'm cooking, it's like I just do some random ish. Like I don't even know what I'm going for. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But I said I wanted to make rotisserie chicken. I went to the grocery store and didn't even get like what I needed to get. Oops. So right now I'm just kind of freestyling something. I'm not really trying to cook too much because we are cooking tomorrow. But just something to lunch on right now. You're playing with it, but it's also scaring you. So yeah, I'm just here seasoning up my chicken, have my veg cut up. And then I didn't want to do rice, you know, because we're having rice tomorrow, but I'm like, literally don't know what to cook. This girl's making so much noise. So as I was saying, I'm cooking chicken breasts. So if you know, it's gonna cook really quick on the stove. I was gonna throw them in the oven, but I'm just like, let me do it on the stove. I'm trying something kind of different. I have my veg and stuff that I'm throwing over it, cut up over here. I don't want it to be like stew chicken. That's like my thing right now. I do not want it to be like stew chicken. So I gotta really make sure that I'm not using like browning or like doing like how I would do stew chicken. It's kind of gonna be like a barbecue, but then on the stove. It's weird, right? But one thing I know for sure is that whenever I'm here chefing up, even if I don't know like what I'm going for, it usually always comes out good, you know, because the chefing thing that's in the blood. Leave it. Look. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands. Clap your tiny hands for it. You want it? No. No. Yes. Oh my god. So guys, I'm whispering because Nyla is sleeping. I'm currently doing laundry while she's sleeping. I'm kind of tired. I'm probably gonna call it a night, to be honest. Like, once I put her clothes in. I do have homework, but I'm gonna do it. You're kidding me right now. It's like she heard me move. Bruh, her naps are just so short. It's crazy. What's wrong? What's wrong? She's like, get this camera out my face. What's wrong? Hi, Mama. Oh, okay. Okay, be right back. Hey guys, welcome back to Goodie Fam TV. So it is Thanksgiving. It's Thanksgiving weekend. We're here having a little family dinner. We're also linking up with Shan family. We're currently getting ready. Oh shit, napkin quick. Oh god. But anyways, we got Chef Mike in the kitchen as usual. We got Ziggy over here as usual. I'm joking.
As usual.
And we got Nyla on me as usual. But as I said, it is Thanksgiving weekend, so we're just having a little potluck and having a little dinner. We about to turn up some music, set the vibe.
Oh, that's so cute.
Ziggy, all know, can't answer me if he's playing music upstairs or downstairs.
Bro, I just said, I don't play music.
So that's what I'm saying, should I turn on from upstairs, my dad's room? Or does it matter?
I don't know, I'm going basement though.
Okay, so then turn on the basement, since you get here from the basement up.
But you still can't play come down here, but you can't play
What's the point of that? Who has, that's Bill, that's running up the bill.
It's okay.
What is that?
You run up bill.
You run up the bill for your stupid...
Look what you have done on.
What?
You have everything done on and darling. Nice it. Girl.
Banana came back from Jamaica, how was it? How was it?
I'm a Jamaican tan. Look, Pamela. That's not your papa. Don't put him on.
Lyra. Lyra, with your side ponytail. How was Jamaica? You like Jamaica?
Take off your jacket.
How was it?
Usually it was Jamaica nice every time.
The week was too short, eh?
I feel like we just touched down and turned back.
Yo, I'm in need of vacation.
In the back of your shirt though.
Look, oh, hot girl. Lyra, let me see your shirt. Turn. You sure you didn't put it on backwards? Because one time you did that.
Show the back of your shirt, mommy.
Ooh, hot girl. Watch it. Lyra, you want to go to the beach?
Want to go to the cabin, mommy?
family just came. We weren't even I didn't know there was a theme.
Yeah, go say hi.
Everyone's like in pink, you're in black. Like, guys, we need to go change. So Shan just came and literally brought her whole house. Plus we're cooking. Yeah? Yeah?
Hey, go Lira. Go
Hey, hey,
Hey, hey, go
hey.
Lira. Go Lira. You know you have to do the motion too.
Wait, didn't come on yet. Hey, hey, hey,
I said them do all the time. Give me one time.
Try to copy that. Do it, do it.
What did Grandpa do? Hey,
Hey,
Yes, man.
breakfast in bed.
Another cover thing.
I love the snow. Big up Freddie.
oh God. Hey, Nisha. Catch me at the grown people say.
So guys, cheers.
Cheers.
I'm too far.
Like Jamaica, cheers. I will say drinks.
Water. Not water, you want some water?
Yes, it's water.
Yo, Shan, a special cheers to us, you know, friendship that grew into family. Yes.
That's too much. They work at Team and still miss. I love you.
I keep forgetting. There's one thing I don't like about this camera compared to like the Sony one that I had. Literally when you're looking up here, you can tell you're like, you look like you're like this. With my Sony one, you'll be here and here and it doesn't even look that bad.
Yeah.
But anyways guys, it is 7:25. We said we're gonna do dinner at 7:30. We're kind of late. But it's okay. Black
All
people.
of you are dual vlog.
camera? Nisha?
Yeah.
But
Same
the camera lean up. Come on. It's lean like my drink. That's alright. Nisha, I'm dealing with Shani's vlog. Take the camera out of my face. We do one vlog at a time.
Thank God you're in black. Can't even see. Testing, 1, 2, 3. See the quality.
Yeah. Yeah, and it's clear. And even at night too, I love it.
Really?
The thing I haven't learned is the flash.
I know. Me and Ziggy were trying to play around it with when we went to the wedding, but I couldn't find.
The flash, because I was wondering, I was like, Maria, where the hell is
It's right, you got this. But close your screen.
I haven't learned how to.
Hold on, guys. We have like the same camera. We're trying to figure out stuff right now. Just give us a second. I'm so done.
Is that what? Actually, chew up, you know what? Well, that was a good picture. I was supposed to be vlogging.
But don't mess with the top water. They gotta use the ball water.
Yeah, he did. Come again.
The world be like. I should have put the chicken in while my dad was at work, but I waited. Can you hold it for a second?
Hey, booby twerk. Yeah. Booby twerk. Mike! I swear.
Let me catch Daddy on the grill first. She's like, yeah, no. So Chef Mike is out there on the grill, trying to speed up the chicken because I don't know who told me to wait last minute to put in the oven.
If I tell you how much things I cooked today, you would never believe.
Chef in a real life.
You want to hear how much things I cooked today?
What you cook?
We cook mackerel rundown, ackee and sawfish, banana dumpling and yam, veg rundown, American soup, plantains, fried dumpling, mackerel, I said mackerel already.
Yeah.
Liver, onions, like I mean, trust me.
And then you come home and you cook what?
Them I go see, come know you go.
One bigger pot of goat soup.
Yes, manage
Goat head that look gross.
Make sure the tongue
Ew, yeah.
and the yai.
Where did you go?
And now he's helping me with the chicken because we're trying to speed it up.
Yeah.
I will be at the bottom.
I'll try the fake skydiving, but I would never like do the real one.
Skydiving? I want to do skydiving. Ziggy's like, no.
You want to do it?
I do. Why not?
Go to the fake one, the air thing.
No, I want the real ish.
That's like hundreds of dollars for 30 seconds.
No, if you're doing the fake one, you have to do the real one.
But look at her camera, look at yours.
Because I just went outside, so it's like adjusting back.
You had a little too much to drink. I just me say.
I know it's making me look dark. No, there you go. Yes.
Nisha, you have to drink.
Give me little one drop. The baby a cry. Baby a one like baby. This is one so much.
Together, pass.
Over to the ear.
Okay, alright. Oh, no, don't let me cheat on my boyfriend.
Pull up, Peter, pull up.
I wouldn't do it, God, no, I wouldn't do it.
Especially if you eat me food again.
Yes. Oh, no, don't let me cheat on my boyfriend. Oh, yeah, oh, husband, sorry.
He loves only me for all you dirty intellectuals.
Can't stop me from cheating. Just don't let me get caught. Please DM them. Don't let me. Change the number. I didn't know about them. Clear out the log them. Use email at the safest state.
Email?
Hello, everybody can work computer and everybody takes savvy. So that out of the question. Do the olden days where you meet up. Let me cheat on my boyfriend. What? Where would I be? Bad tune. Yeah.
Where would I be without my mama? But when we love you, there's nothing
Get above it.
the whole son of girl.
I no care. No man.
Confirm.
Wait a second, no girl on the car.
I know. What up?
I had a girl from the gas station you talk about Ziggy.
Special dedication to the number one. Supposed to
Love for your mama, light up for your mama.
Big up all the homies.
Baby.
You think all you got is chicken babies?
One.
Crazy, Nana?
She's like, what is going on?
Christmas season stuff. Thanksgiving, being thankful to having all the family running, you know what I'm saying? It's always good to have the family running. Christian family is always about number one, you know, if it's all about family. All we're gonna do is jump in the food, eat.
No, how about we all say one thing we're thankful for?
But me never done.
Yes. Who said no? Ziggy. Ziggy said no. So wait, Daddy, when you're done, sorry, I cut you.
Anything back in there.
Okay, so
My vex.
we're about your back. Sorry.
Humbly.
Okay, come to the table. We gotta say one thing that we're thankful for. Let's go, kiddies.
Yes.
When you come quick, I'm hungry. I'm thankful for life.
Thankful for life. I'm thankful for my family.
Yes.
You're expecting somebody else.
It's okay. Go, Shan. What are you thankful for?
I am thankful for family and friends and to new beginning and a new year coming.
Yes. Ziggy.
We have like 2
What's Ziggy trying to run?
more months left.
Mike, what are you thankful for? Yourself.
Thankful for life and the health.
Okay, we're just gonna dine in, guys. So this is what our Thanksgiving dinner is looking like. Shout out to Shan, my dad, and Shauna.
I did some work too.
Hi, Keisha. What do you do?
I got my stomach. I need to help get rid of the food.
A friend one and come back after. Bring that for me. Aren't you happy to be 4th grade? Are you guys recording?
So yeah, we're about to dig in. Just do a quick.
Yeah, guys, so I'm about to fold my
Go over there,
stomach.
get a better view.
I look nice and fit now, but later on, I'll be looking
Okay,
like
I'm gonna fast forward this part.
We're playing movie, right?
Oh.
Oh, mash up some food, yeah. Why did everybody?
Quietness now. I knew you were gonna say that.
Okay, so we're getting ready.
So anyways guys, I'm about to go dig in. Can't wait.
No, I'm not sure. My knee.
This is my plate. There's like literally stuff hiding under my. Yeah.
Yeah, summer clothes, winter clothes. You go to certain stores.
Yeah.
And you have clearance.
Yeah.
Thanksgiving, Christmas, and those kind of stuff. At them kind of vibes, man. That's with the old chicken them and the old turkey them.
Just a way to.
Ham them.
Yeah, yeah.
Start fresh again.
Wait, but somebody.
That's it.
Yeah.
You think this? Oh, you're too
My plate doesn't look any better than yours.
No, yours
The
is fine.
farm grow good and all the cow them give milk and Thanksgiving. Be thankful for it.
Yeah.
It's like I am thankful.
I never thought
for
about that.
But that's what it's all about.
Nyla's looking.
It's like what do you call it? Black Friday.
Yeah.
What is it? Black Friday.
Everything.
Stuff that's last year old stuff. They're trying to get the new stuff to come in the door.
Yeah.
I have potato, macaroni, candy yam,
Can
pasta,
buy a new car right here.
chicken, ham, curry chicken, barbecue chicken, salad. So y'all, I'm up here with Nyla. I'm about to like wipe her down and slowly get her ready for bed. So much excitement going on downstairs, so she's like trying to keep up with that. And I'm currently here about to do a paper that I have due. Not really a paper, but like there's these weekly evaluations that we have to do. And mine's due tomorrow at 9, which I need to go and do and submit. I'm so annoyed, like it's a holiday and I have school placement tomorrow morning, which is so annoying. But I guess that's what it is. If you're a nurse, like you literally don't get a break. You're working holidays. So I'm just here doing that. It's so funny because Shan's downstairs doing her paper as well, and then Shauna's talking about her paper. Yo, school life is no joke. But overall, it was a good Thanksgiving. A lot of laughter, fun, always a good time when the families link up. It sucks when it has to end and then it's like school or work the next morning. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give thanks and praise to the Most High always. Happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. I mean, by the time this vlog goes up, Thanksgiving tomorrow. Oh, never mind. Happy Thanksgiving to all you guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy your time that you spent with your family, your day, and all that stuff. I mean, every day we should be thankful and grateful, but nevertheless, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next vlog.